Let's talk egg substitutes. Eggs are really expensive. It's time to go back to everybody having 1 or 2 chickens in their backyard per person. It would save on the world's garbage pickup too. You know, a lot you can feed your chickens. You can substitute a 1/4 cup of applesauce for 1 egg, but avoid using more than a cup of applesauce to substitute for egg in any recipe. 4 tablespoons of yogurt, but this is going to make your recipe kind of heavy. 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I don't think this is going to be a very frugal recipe very long because mayonnaise is made with eggs, and guess what? It's going to be getting expensive here soon too. 1 tablespoon of ground flaxseed that's been mixed with 3 tablespoons of water, but that's going to give your recipe a very nutty taste. But again, it's a very shelf stable if you have a way to grind the flaxseed. 4 tablespoons up to, I've seen, a 1/4 cup of mashed banana can be substituted for an egg. A 1/4 cup of buttermilk.